Hello friends, today I have another haul from Farmer Joe Plants. I love the plants that I got last time, so I got 4 more, 3 little ones, and this is the biggest one that I got. I love this plant. Anyways, you friends, you could probably tell it's so wet and dirty here today because I started a video and then it started to rain as well. I thought it would just be cloudy, but no, it poured. So I had to leave in my plants up here and then wait for the rain to stop. Anyways, they're happy now. It's rained and they're happy and it looks prettier wet. Anyways, this is the plant called the Piper plant. So this is the name of the plant, and this is Farmer Joe's name right there in his website, and that's the price. So $12, and that's a beautiful plant right here. This is so beautiful. Isn't that so awesome, you friends? How beautiful that plant is. Angel is the one helping me pick this plant out, the plants that I got. And oh my goodness, when I spot this plant, I have to take it home. It's because it is so beautiful. Look at the stem. Can you see it clearly? Look at how pretty the stem is. Ooh, how pretty. It looks hairy, but it is feeling so soft and not itchy. It looks itchy to me too, but when I touch it, it feels so soft. The texture, you could feel it. The texture up here, you can feel it bumpy, so bumpy. I wish you could feel it with me. Okay, the front is so bumpy and shiny, and the back is soft. You could feel the little hairs on this plant, and look at the stem, so pretty. I have a total of 1, 2, 3 stems on here. 3 stems on this beautiful plant. Isn't that so cool? I love it. It's so pretty. I just love the texture on this plant. And look at that. I love the size of the leaf too. Look at how big that leaf is. Isn't it so cool? I love it. Such a cool looking plant. So this is called the Piper plant. Next one that I got is the most beautiful Calathea I ever seen, and this is called the Calathea roseo illustros. My bunny is eating and it's making a lot of noise. Anyways, this is called Calathea roseo illustros for $6. That is so cool. And you're probably wondering why I'm buying a lot of Calatheas. They are so hard to deal with, but once you know how to take care of them, they are actually a fun plant to have. They like to be wet like this. When it rains, I just put them out here and get it wet, and if it's too dry, I'll just spray them with a hose. Like, I normally don't want to soak the pot, so what I did is, like, I tipped the plant over and I hosed the leaves from the front and the back and let it get all wet, and then they just went back like alive and healthy looking, not like crinkly and crispy. So they like getting wet on their leaves and they are happy with that. So try that if you have hard time with your Calathea, because I miss them a lot, because when I forget to do it, I just see them so crinkly and the leaves like start to like curl up and looking so sad. So I had to like spray them with hose and make sure they are all soaked up, the leaves, and then just make sure you don't soak up the inside too, because that would kill the plant. So anyways, this is such a beautiful leaf. You see that leaf? I can't wait for this little one to unfurl, and this is gonna be bigger than this leaf. That's so exciting. Each leaf is bigger as it grows. The new leaf is getting bigger and bigger. Oh my goodness, I am not saying exactly the right words probably, but anyways, this is such a beautiful plant. I just love it. Look at how pink or rosea or the rose color on it. It's just so beautiful, isn't it? Can you agree with me, you friends? I'm talking a lot. Okay, next. Put that there. So pretty. Okay. I have this one before, but I'm so glad I got another one because mine was not happy. I put fish fertilizer on it, and then I noticed that it starts to go brown, and it was bad. I probably would have to find a picture of what it looked before, but it didn't look good, you friends, and it died on me. And I still have the other one later on that I'll show you, but I've got this at Farmer Joe Plants, and he got this on sale in his Facebook, and this one is $6, and he had it on sale that one day for $3, and that was an awesome deal. So this is the Calathea orbifolia, and in this plant, what a great deal. There's two in here. Right? That is so amazing. I love it. There's two plants in here. Oh my goodness, such a beautiful looking plant. I love this Calathea orbifolia. Look at how pretty that is. Such a beautiful plant. So pretty. I love this plant, you friends. So beautiful. And it's dry. It needs water. It probably needs repotting too. I need to repot this because it is too big for the pot already. Now, next one I have is this beautiful Calathea. Another Calathea, and it's called lancifolia. So this is what it's called, and I love the texture on the leaf on this one. I seen this a lot. I just never picked it out, but why not, right? I got other Calatheas, and look at the back of it. It's another, that color of Calathea is making me go crazy in love with it. I just love how beautiful they are. Look at how pretty the back of it. Look. I love it. So pretty. It's just the specs, the texture, the way it is. Just look at the color and the spotting on it. It is so beautiful. I love it. I love Calatheas. So that's the things that I got, and I will show you why I bought more Calathea because of what I have right now. So let me move these beautiful babies. So this is my Calathea that I got from Farmer Joe a long time ago. You could probably see it on my haul. So I moved them in this bigger pot, and I mixed the three of them. This is the one that is giving me a lot of hard time because it normally gets so crispy, but since I move them in here and make sure they get wet all the time, like when they dry out, they perk back up and they like being together. I noticed that getting the plants together, they like getting close to each other, and I think they're happier that way. I just noticed it gotten more lushier and prettier, and I do have some hard stuff in here like crispy leaves. You can see this crispy because I forgot to water them. It was hot, and then I forgot to water them, and it all dried out on the top here, so it's not a good thing for them to have it so dry. So they like to get their leaves misted and not dry up at all. So just if you have a moisture meter, kind of just see the it likes to be not so moist, but just the perfect amount in like the middle of it. But they like to be happily misted. So that's what I have, and they're happy this way, and I'm glad I have them together because I bought them together and they're happy together, you friends. Uh-oh, it's windy. It's getting dark. Anyways, well, this is it for now. I'm just showing you what I have, and these are just so beautiful. And one thing I'm gonna show you is my other Calathea. It is growing, and it has a new special leaf coming out. This is tiny. This is the only one I have, but it is problematic, you friends. That's why I got another one. This has, see, that's the new leaf coming out there. It's brown. I don't know what happened. It looked like the same thing happened with the other one I have, but look at that, it went brown. But I have this new sprout right here. This sprouted, and that's the new leaf. So I guess I'm not gonna mind about this little one here because I'm getting this one, and back up for that is this to just in case what happened. I just couldn't get over. I don't want to have a dead plant, so I have a backup plan here in case this one do not survive. So I think it will survive. So in case it won't, I have a baby. So anyways, I'm getting so windy in here. It's getting so windy. My plants are falling. Look at this, falling on the ground. All right, you friends, this is all I have so far, and this is all that I got from Farmer Joe plants. These are his plants, and I'm so happy to have them in my collection because they are so beautiful. All right, I will leave his link down below too, so you can see the plants that I got. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and happy planting. Bye bye.